Hello lovelies, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle and I create beauty content for women over 40. I hope everybody had a wonderful holiday season, Christmas, and Happy New Year. That is my first video of 2026. And I couldn't be more excited to be collaborating again with the wonderful people over at Verano Hill. As seen in Elle, Harper's Bazaar, Forbes, and more, Verano Hill bags are about affordable luxury, bringing you beautiful, well-crafted accessories without the inflated price. You're able to feel luxurious and transform your fashion choices. Verano Hill offers free shipping and free returns, and all items come with a 6-month warranty. We're in the new year now, so it is time to treat yourself. You've been busy all holiday season, treating others and making everything just right for them. So now it's time to treat yourself to a nice new bag for this 2026 year ahead of us. So to start off the year for Verano Hill, they are offering a buy one, get one free, and that couldn't be better because then you can have multiple bags in your wardrobe and in your collection to choose from for your elevated, stylish look this year. So we are going to get into unboxing the bags that I picked out. I'm going to show them to you guys and just style them with the outfit so you can see how I would style them and give you some ideas and a little bit of fashion inspo if you want to purchase one of these bags. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then just keep watching. Before we get into the unboxing, I just want to extend my gratitude and thanks to Verano Hill for reaching out to me again and collaborating on another video. I appreciate it so much and absolutely adore my bags from Verano Hill. There is so much love put into the shipping of these bags. They come in these beautiful dusters that you can keep them in your closet, and then they are just packed up so nicely. Last time I did this, it took me a while to unbox them, so I might have to stop the video and just unbox them and then show you guys, because all throughout the bag it is meticulously packed together. Just more extra padding to protect the shape of these bags and to keep them as pristine as they were coming from the warehouse. And then they come again in another little duster, and OMG. This is the Nadia crossbody, and she is stunning with these delicate features all over. Oh, the leather is so incredibly soft. So it gives you two options of styling this bag. You can use the sleek top handle for a more elegant look, and then you have the beautiful strap as well, so you can wear it as a crossbody. Again, the clasp here is going to be protected by extra plastic, so I don't know if I have to take it off. Nope. So you just kind of unhook it like that and you can open it right up. Oh, so soft. I can't even tell you how soft this bag feels. And then we have more padding on the inside, and then we're going to have a magnet clasp to keep the purse closed as well. You have a nice little pocket in here for any small receipts or like cards you want to keep in, but basically it is just a nice little bag to throw all of your accessories in. We are going to style this one. I can't wait. Let's unbox our next bag, again in these beautiful royal blue dusters. They'll store so nicely. We have a beautiful Aurora shoulder bag. So this is just the perfect minimalist modern tote. How beautiful is that color, you guys? And again, incredibly, incredibly soft, and just these nice sleek details on it. You have the little hardware on the bottom, so that will protect it. The beautiful Verano Hill emblem in gold. Again, it's protected so well. More bubble wrap. Oh yes, this is perfect. Okay, again, we have more protection to protect the inside of the bag. So you have so much space in this one. We're gonna have the extra zipper in the middle to store all of your belongings. This is gonna be a perfect shoulder bag to travel with as well, because, oh yeah, look, it just comes out so nicely. Okay, you can button this one in too, so you can unbutton it if you need to bring out the inside. And the inside material is extremely soft as well. So you could actually kind of use it both ways. If you just want to have it where you want to throw all your stuff in and not have the zipper inside, you could do that as well. But I'm going to keep that little zipper bag in here to help store all of my necessities. It took me forever to get that extra foam off the handles, but how gorgeous, how gorge. I cannot wait to style this shoulder bag. I will be using it all the time. All right, let's unbox our third bag, which is the Camila tote bag. Again, we have everything here to protect her and make sure she is safe. And I went for a shade a little bit different. Rather than a neutral, I wanted a pop of color to add to my wardrobe. So I picked it out in this gorgeous sage green. And how pretty. Oh, just screams luxury, screams style, screams effortless chic. Are you kidding? How beautiful. And then we have the same as we have in the Aurora bag. We have another zipper in here. This one is sewn in, so you can't take that out, but that is okay. Again, more bubble wrap. And we have numerous amounts of pockets and zippers and little areas to put everything, which is so nice for the organized girlies. I am not one of them. I wish I was, but maybe this will help me become a little bit more organized. We also have another pocket in the front here. I don't know what I would put in there, but it looks so pretty. And the gold detailing, you guys, with the sage green is just chef's kiss. This is just so beautiful. We have adjustable straps as well, so we can adjust those babies to be longer or shorter to how we feel. The double strap like that is so nice. Oh, this will be so beautiful for the springtime, and just love the detailing that these bags have all over them. It's just luxury to the max without the luxury price point. The Nadia crossbody redefines a modern minimalism and gives a street chic cool feel to any look. Designed for the modern woman on the move, this piece features a sleek top handle, a soft textured finish, and a delicate crossbody strap for versatile styling. Its lightweight yet structured design offers the perfect blend of form and function for any occasion. The Aurora shoulder bag is the perfect modern style shoulder bag. With its bold angular silhouette and clean seamless stitching, this bag offers ample space for your daily essentials, making it a perfect choice for those who require both style and practicality. The sturdy double handles provide ease of carrying, while the minimalist design allows for seamless transition from day to night. I know this will be a staple in my daily wardrobe, as well as the perfect travel companion. The Camila tote is effortlessly chic and oh so stylish. Elevate any casual outfit with this simply designed tote that offers adjustable shoulder straps along with a spacious compartment perfect for carrying all your daily essentials in style. The smooth and supple leather offers the best durability and includes a zip closure, so you don't have to worry about losing any of your important items. I absolutely adore these bags, and I know that you will too, so definitely check out the buy one get one with Verano Hill. All right, I hope this video gave you an idea of how exquisitely beautiful and luxurious these bags are, and just seeing them styled can give you guys some ideas on how you would style them yourselves. Again, I want to thank Verano Hill so much for reaching out to me and collaborating again on another video. I will put all the information in the description box on the buy one get one sale, as well as the links to the bags themselves. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and here is to an incredibly wonderful, healthy, happy, abundant, and loving 2026 for everybody out there watching. Thanks, guys.